John, can you explain more about where other types of sensors would fall short for the specific use case?
Yeah, there's a new use case we're doing right now for truck park spacing. So it's where the rest areas where the over highway truckers are coming. More and more state DOTs are wanting to broadcast or advertise how many open spaces there are, because if at there are time restrictions how long the truckers could be on the road, and they need to plan accurately where they can get off and rest. And so they're using technology in the past, or they're putting like magnets in the pavement itself. So if a truck is over a magnet, we know something's there. But with that technology, what we're seeing is one, it's in the pavement, which we don't want to get. And two, it's not as accurate and it's battery operated. So if they fail, we're actually having to rip it up. So they started to go to technology like radar, and radar does a pretty good job, as we said, detection motion, but not always in the direction of the motion. So like there was maintenance trucks going out of the rest area, come in and maybe counting incorrectly what it is. Or and a lot of times the trucks will just park anywhere on the side or the shoulder. And if they park under a radar, the radar goes, I don't know what's going on anymore. If there's something in there, I don't know if it's moving. I can't count anything else going by me at this time. With the LiDAR, since we're already in this use case, we're already used to doing what lane and what area of interest we're scanning. So when we can see the direction of a vehicle when it comes in their area of interest, we can see if it stays in our area of interest, so we won't count it as it goes into the rest area into a parking spot. But if it does, one's parked underneath us, but one is traveling by it, we still can count that accurately. So that's an example of the radar being kind of a good use case of only if we know we need to count something moving, but we don't need to know the direction necessarily. But the LiDAR giving that extra detail and resolution we need.